Live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok. So go ahead and open your TikTok application. Once you're in this homepage, click on the live icon on the upper left corner of the page. Now find a live that you want to join and click on the multi-guest icon. This is the two users icon in here, and now this may not be available for some live streams since the creators can customize this setting. So after clicking on that, this request pop-up window will show, so just click on request. Now this is what should appear after clicking on that, but there are some cases that this window that says live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok might appear. There are some factors that you should consider. First, users below 16 years old are not allowed to go live on TikTok. Next, TikTok requires 1,000 followers before having this live and live guest feature. So if you haven't reached that milestone, make sure to increase your interactions to access the live as guest or even live on your own account. However, TikTok recently updated this feature. As you can see, my account has only 4 followers, but I was able to send requests on the TikTok user that was live a while ago. So make sure that your TikTok application is up to date. Now, if you already meet all of the TikTok requirement and live access is still not given to you, the last thing you can do is to contact TikTok. So go open TikTok again, go to your profile tab, click on the three lines icon, go to settings and privacy, scroll down, and on the very bottom, choose report a problem. In the topics, choose live, go to multi-guest, and tap on how to go live as a guest. Click on no and proceed to need more help. In here, just provide a short statement that you don't have the live access and submit it. Wait for a few days and TikTok should solve this issue. So that is so that is how to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.